Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install some H11 LED bulbs in a 2008 Silverado. You have a manual, show you how to install it. Looks like you got some zip ties to help hold stuff together. And here are the actual bulbs. They don't look like your traditional halogens, but these are supposed to be a lot brighter than the stock halogens that come in here. See, they have the ballast, and they actually have the plug-in that plugs right in, so you don't have to snip any wires or cut anything to get them to work. So let's just go up front and see. I'll show you guys what you're going to need before you go to install these. Alright, to do this installation, you're going to need a 10mm socket, 7mm socket, and a pair of gloves so you don't actually touch the bulbs. You got 3 10mm bolts, one here, and down here you have a 7mm bolt that you have to take out to reveal the third bolt right there. And after you have all those bolts removed, you should be able to wiggle this free, so you got a little bit more room to get the new bulb in. Alright, so now to change these, you're going to want to actually turn this bulb counterclockwise, and it should just pull right out. And now you just undo these clips. The bulb slides right back out. And like I was saying before, these actually just slide right back onto the factory harness, so you don't have to cut any wires. And then you just put the bulb back in. And you're just going to do the opposite of what you did to take them out. You're going to turn them clockwise to screw back in. Alright, now for the final steps, we're just going to put the bolts back in. Alright, you can see the difference now between this is the LED bulb that we just put in and the factory halogen right here. This one's more of a yellow tint, where this one's more of a cool white color. And now let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how to do the passenger side. Alright, now on this side, it's a little different than what's on the other side, because the air box is actually in place, and we actually have 4 of these Torx bits that we're going to take out, and we're going to end up loosening one of these clamps so we can actually get this off. Alright guys, and there you go. This, as you can see, we have now got both of our lights installed, and I'm pretty happy with the fitment. I like the color. Now I just need to get my fog lights changed so they match the top. But other than that, I didn't have any problems with them. Plugged right in. And I will get another picture later today at nighttime, show you guys the light output. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the lights with them on. They're definitely a lot brighter than my stock halogens were. But thanks for watching.